Yo,
Where we at? Where we at?
we are back out here at AOAA Off-Road Park. We about to get
Breaking some necks.
yeah, we're breaking a lot of necks. Hopefully, that's
Yo, he's filming me. I'm filming him. What's up, man?
Filming him. What's up, man?
ハイパースピードメディア
Yo, we're back at AOAA with the crew right here. We got 3 lifted Miata today. Crystal Blue. I think that's a Merlot. And a lifted Miata, of course, my NB lifted Miata. Taking on the trail. This is your first time on the trail, right, Justin?
Yep, first time here.
What do you expect today?
Fun and jumps and hopefully not too much water.
Look how clean this car is. It's going to be dirty and nasty after the end of the day. You ready for that?
I'm ready. I cleaned it up so it could get dirty.
Clean it up just to get it dirty. Perfect. Damn, okay. All right. We're not trying to get muddy up. Taking that route instead. Apparently it's pretty damn deep right here. They're all hauling ass and they're leaving me because I need bigger tires and wheels because it's a big struggle to go on these trails with this 26-inch tire while they got 29-inch. Oh shit! Gotta be the next upgrade for sure. I think I'm getting like tractor trailer tires or some shit. Oh my god! Yeah, I can't be doing this. I can't be left behind like this. All right, we're here halfway through some of the trails and it's muddy as hell. My car is struggling. They're hauling ass. The tires is just not big enough. I need to go to 27 or 28. They're at 29-inch tires and wheels. So they got a big advantage. They got more lift than me as well. I mean, I am struggling. So I gotta get this fixed because I want to haul ass too. You know, but it is what it is. But I have to say, all the car looked fantastic in the mud, all muddy up. Look at that. Fantastic. Yo, hit that puddle again.
Which one?
That puddle right there. Over there, hit that puddle. Yo, put that top up. Whoa! Keep going, keep going.
I said, what color is that from Mazda? Anthracite brown?
That's what it looks like. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo! I know. You actually cleaned the damn car. Look at that shit, it's clean. Alright, I got a question for you.
What's up?
You going out with your girl like this?
Absolutely. We're going to dinner tonight. I'm getting omakase.
There you go.
$100 a person.
God damn. Oh, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh my
Cameras got
god.
all wet.
Oh, the seat. Oh, fuck that. I'm putting my soft talk up.
Oh, don't worry. This is how I like it.
Oh shit, I can't believe you sent it. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh. Yo, you're trying to send it.
Yeah, it's a brand new car, right past.
Yo, you got the cleanest car here.
Let's go.
You got a hard top. What the hell are you bitching about? All right, let's go. Let's go. Woo! No, son, yo, what the fuck? Oh no, you gotta send that shit. What the hell? What was that?
I think it's because the wipers. You gotta see.
Oh, okay, okay. Woo! Shit. Go. Oh, fuck. Oh no. Let's go. I made it. Yo, you sure you know how to read a map?
I've never read a map in my life.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
figure this out.
All right.
All right. So we got a two-way fork that will turn into a four-way fork. I think we're right here.
We're getting lost again.
So we keep going straight this way. We'll continue down 115 until we hit 151, I guess. Oh, but then 151 takes you back. We need to get to this road right here.
Yo, everybody should get one. That's what I'm saying. Yo, clutch kick it. Yo, clutch kick. You clutch kick? All right, chef, what are you cooking right here?
We got some
Synthetic?
synthetic beef made in a lab near you. Absolutely wild looking.
Philly burger.
Philly burger. What do they call it? Scrapple? You guys eat
Yeah,
scrapple?
scrapple, whatever the fuck that is.
We got a scrapple burger. Genetically modified. But apparently it tastes good, so we're gonna try one out right now.
Stick with the
Give you a review.
Oh, what the hell? This guy. Did he went over?
Yeah, dude.
Oh shit!
I didn't realize it was.
Oh shit! Oh, it's a loop.
Yeah, I completed my
I need
time.
your spare.
Thank God they tested out first before me.
What do you think, Alex? Let's get a little bit more of a bump up because then it's gonna
Get the winch, man. Get the winch. What?
Yeah, you could winch it too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just winch him out of there.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah, explain yourself. What the fuck happened, dude? Explain yourself.
So I went up this embankment, and then I just figured, oh, I'm gonna be at the top of the hill. but I didn't realize that it went up and then down, so I jumped
Which is
over.
Justin getting stuck right
Yeah, look at
now.
him.
We're fucked.
Nah, he can get out. I mean, I think if anyone's fucked, it's me.
Nah, we got spare, man. Look at
That's
this.
true.
Look at this shit.
It's just gonna be a heavy
God damn, how the
it'll come over here.
should have inflated a little bit more. It was way too low.
I mean, I hit hard. I came down hard.
Oh, okay. All right, not a big deal. Well, every time we learn something new.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got stuck twice already. That's fucked up.
Twice? What you mean? What you mean?
The sand. Remember the sand?
Oh yeah.
And then the
That
water.
was a different time though. Yeah.
And the water.
I thought you meant like this time.
No. We're talking about overall. Bad luck, this guy. No, it's good. It's like minor shit. We're good to go.
Oh yeah, it could be worse.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I don't know, man. We need a.
You need an oil change?
Oh my god, dude.
All right, so now at this point, let's
Look at
hook
that
the winch
shit.
up to the tow hook, keep the front end down.
All right, you gotta use the winch, man. You gotta use the winch.
Yeah,
Yeah, how you feeling right now?
I'm terrified.
Whose fault is this?
Huh?
Whose fault?
Yours?
My fault.
I guess.
I told you to send it, but don't go off hill, off the cliff.
I didn't know there was a dip.
The front end stays down because I know once it slides.
Look at this, the one Miata with the smallest tire here. It's about to save both those guys. Got my spare right here, about to save one of them. And I might have to winch the other guy out. Oh, you got out. So yeah, I told you winch.
Yep.
Oh fuck, take this shit. You still not done yet.
Yeah.
Got to get that car
The hard part's over.
out of the ditch too.
Suppose.
Then we got to get your car out of the ditch.
First time?
First time? First time. Yo, man, you gonna make it home for your dinner?
I hope so. I'm taking it back after this.
This guy got no e-brake. That's his e-brake right here. He got more rocks over there. Completely useless. Why'd you buy this? Useless. Look at this.
What do you mean it made it?
It's useless now.
But it made it.
All right, explain how we're gonna fix this, Mr. Fudge Man.
I'm going to wrap the ratchet strap around the outside of the tire, squeeze it a little bit so that way the bead is tighter on the wheel, and it should take air if that can force enough into it right off the bat. We'll see how it works.
No, I think it's gonna work.
Let's see.
Gotta give it to Fudge Man.
Yeah, what would
the off-road
What would we do without, what would we
Yeah.
do without him?
Usually works for quad tires or if you're stretching a tire.
So the idea is to compress it, and it's enough for the air pump to squeeze air in there. I think we're good, man. I think we're good. We just gotta rock it a little bit. Good thing you got the ratchet strap though. Yeah, here. Just gotta cover that a little bit more.
Looks like
It's trying.
it's coming. It's at 1.
How you let go? Sorry, man.
I'm sorry, it's at 10. This thing's kind of dark.
As long as watch your finger, man.
Yeah, walk.
Yeah, my finger's not in it.
All right, I think we're good.
Take a second because the pump's slow.
Let go.
It's going.
Yeah. Hell fucking yeah.
Go.
Let it go. Watch your finger though.
Just a little bit.
A lot.
Watch your face when that bead pops because it's going to spray you.
We're good, man. We're good. Fucking good.
About a pile, probably about another 10 seconds. Right now.
Woo! Yeah, boy. Stop it. Stop it for now. Stop it for now. There you go. There you go. Fucking yeah, leave him hanging.
I don't
What's
know
up? What's up?
about this guy.
Good job.
No, I'm glad we invited him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good for something.
Rev the shit out of it. Don't let it roll back. Oh, you didn't rev the shit out of it. Straighten your wheel too. Clutch kick, clutch kick. Let's push him.
Go back.
Almost like. All right, let's winch him. Damn, you just wasted $100 in clutch. How you feel for that? Dude, don't worry, we're gonna get you out, man.
I know.
If you can't go forward, you gotta go back. That's all. We gotta roll you down the hill all the way over there.
Be able to.
Alright,
Stop. Look at that. All three Miata is back. Waiting for the other one. Big ass incline right here coming downhill. Whoa. Let it roll. There you go. You're good. Were you a bit worried? Were you worried? Tell me.
He was shitting in his pants.
Yeah, I bet he was.
When he gets back, he's gonna have to change his underwear.
Yep. Wash it good, man.
Nah, I gotta go. I have a sushi day with my girlfriend.
Oh, good stuff, boys. Great day. Yes, sir.
Thanks for coming with us today.
Absolutely.
And giving us the tire trick.
No, for real.
Wasn't for that, would have been a struggle. But everybody made it. Look, everybody made it back.
And on that tire, we're not riding on your
Yeah,
spare.
same fucking tire. Look.
And
Fuck.
I know you saw the Jeep broken down.
Yes,
The trail-built Jeep broke. The Miata drove home.
that's insane.
That's what we like to see.
Come here, let me get your first input. I know you were shitting your pants today, right?
This guy
You
hasn't
shitting
been
your pants,
distracted in
right?
a while.
A couple times, yeah.
How was it? Other than that,
It was good. It was a fun time. I had a fun
yeah.
time.
So we got winched. We got you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm glad I got some used to winch.
Tire was beaded.
yeah,
We beaded and winched.
yeah.
So it was a true off-road bonanza.
Hey, how was it?
Take care, guys.
It was an experience of a lifetime. I'm 66. I've gone scuba diving. I've gone into caves, sunken ships. But I gotta tell you the truth, this was an experience.
Yeah, you told him. You should have be the driver and teach him a few things, you know?
That's right.
Right? You gotta show him next time.
These young whippersnappers, they don't want to listen to me.